So today we begin the process of fixing this problem. Can you see how far the RV had fallen? Approximately an inch down and back. Then we gotta lift it. Come on and I'll show you why. You can see the ground outside it all. I don't know, maybe. There, we can see the ground on that hole. That's outside. Okay, and it's a separation of the wall all the way across of this 2000 RV. Already took out the kitchen and everything, and we're ready to do it. This is how we're going to do it. Around the generator, you can actually reach the wall. So I'm not going to see what I'm recording. I hope I'm seeing it. But this ledge right here is what we're going to lift. And I used a piece of metal right there across because it's made of wood. And if we put any pressure on it, it's probably going to crush. So I'm hoping this 12-ton lift will lift the wall so we can fix that buckling right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, we can. It's right there. You see it? It's called de-lamination. And de-lamination really means the RV fell down. So you've seen this before. Look how close we are. A couple of more pumps of the 12-ton jack. By the way, you don't need 12-ton. I think you're lifting about maybe less than 1,000 pounds. So your normal jack will do the trick. And remember the bolt that I showed you earlier that I thought maybe holding it? Well, it wasn't. You see all that beauty? We're almost ready to make it happen. But that thing is right there ready to leave. So I have to kind of strengthen it in place. You see that? I used a piece of metal. Can you see it? To create that entire lifting apparatus instead of just one small spot in a rotten wood. Man, a lot of work to fix this. But it's going to be nice. An update on the project. I lifted the body by drilling these holes inside, and we refilled them with foam. I was hoping one of them isn't filled, but they're all filled. We did 4 holes, as you can see, and this is where the sofa used to be. Then we lifted the body from outside, and I'll take you outside, and we tightened bolts here on the inside. So I'm going to take you outside and show you what we did. And currently we're not done, but it's getting prettier slowly. And this is what I did on the outside. You can try with just bolts, but I used this ribbon. As you can see, it's a little bit difficult to get next to it. This metal ribbon I had laying around for an inch, it's almost 2 inches wide. And these are the bolts. They're extremely important that you get the bolts right. And you'll notice I have this loose, so it lets it pop out a little bit. And then but the delamination is all but gone. I don't know if you can tell. There's a little bit left over there, but we eliminated the delamination. Can you see? So this is a follow-up. I'm gonna say shout out to John. By the way, if you don't get these high quality bolts, you see these 6 things on here? They are required to be able to carry like 2 tons of weight. And I'm gonna see if I could show you what the finished inside looks like. I don't know if we're gonna have any access. We can't really, but it's all sealed tight. This is where we lifted it by the generator, and we have to repair this little bit here. But otherwise, this piece of metal helped us bring the body in, and we fixed it. Again, important that you get the right bolt, because when I put the other bolts from Home Depot the same size, they just bent. Okay, this is a final video for the Coachmen de-lamination. And I don't know if you can tell, we have a tiny ripple in the back, but the de-lamination is gone. I hope this helps.
Bye.